Hello guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Joy. I'm a fashion teacher and a fashion designer. This is an eyelet. An eyelet is a metallic ring used to reinforce holes for belts, shoes, bags, and clothes. Today I'll be using it to reinforce the placket of the top I'm making in order to make a lace closure. Now it comes in various sizes and colors. This is a very big one. This is smaller, and these are golden eyelets. This is silver, and this is the smallest one I have here. There are other bigger and smaller sizes. Now, in order to fix an eyelet on my fabric, I need the plier. The plier is used to insert holes into the dress, into the fabric, into the shoe, or wherever you're fixing your eyelets. This is a plier. There are other tools for inserting holes, but this is the one that I have. This is a plier, and this is my grommet machine. This is my grommet machine. My grommet machine is used for several purposes. I'll be using it to fix my eyelets, and it has the eyelet disc inserted here. So this is the dress I'll be fixing my eyelets on. I already created my dress placket, and eyelets will be on this placket. I have my scissors for cutting. I have my measuring tape and my chalk. So this is my placket. What I will do, the first thing I will do is to mark out the various points where I want my eyelets. Starting from the top, I'll mark 1.5, spacing of 1.5 inches all the way to the down. 1.5 inches all the way. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 points all together. So the first thing I will do is to use my plier to punch holes. I'll just do that by fixing the plier on the mark. Then press it down. Did you hear that sound? Okay, so you can do that severally, like 2 to 3 times. So yeah, I think my hole is there already. But in case, okay, I have my hole punched already. So I'll just do one more. Then you can use your scissors to smoothen it out. Okay, so my hole is already there. As you can see, I have my hole. Next thing I'll do is to get my eyelet and the washer. This is the eyelet. Fix it in to the machine, and then get my plackets. Just follow the process. Follow the process, and you'll get it done by yourself. It's quite easy. It's an easy process actually. So next thing I'll be doing is to insert the washer. Yeah, I'll just insert the washer like this at the top. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, then you lock it in like this. 1 or 2 times is fine. So can you see how neat that is? This is one. Okay, so let me do the next one. Just follow the same process. This inserted, fix your hole. That's number 2. So I've been able to fix the eyelet for all of them. There are 7 in number, and this is what it looks like for the both plackets. Thank you so much guys for watching till the end of this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you have any challenge in fixing your eyelets, and also let me know if there are some other tools that will make this work faster and easier. Bye.